How to integrate FreshBooks with Squarespace. Now, this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you follow along, by the end of this video, you will be able to integrate FreshBooks with Squarespace. Okay, so to do this, you first of all want to load up your FreshBooks account right here. And once this is loaded up, all you need to do from here is go over to the settings icon on the left-hand side. And from this drop-down menu that opens up, click into Apps and Integrations. That is going to take you over to this area right here. So all you need to do is click on Squarespace. Then says Squarespace, do you want to, and we can click on Connect Now right here. That is going to load up this area. It says Connect Squarespace. So all we are going to do is click on Allow. It's going to ask me to sign in. So just go through and sign in to your Squarespace account. As you can see, that is now linked successfully. So if I now go back and hit refresh, you can see Squarespace is now connected, and that is how you can connect Squarespace to FreshBooks.